Eddie Einstein Erickson. They call him Einstein because his friends think he's a genius.
I love it.
He's walking in the Walmart parking lot and he sees the P on the pharmacy sign on the side of the building dangling in the wind. So Einstein comes up with an idea. He goes and stands under the P for 4 hours waiting for it to fall on his head. It doesn't fall on his head. The next day he comes back and stands there again. Finally, the wind blows and the P falls down, hits him in the head. Does Einstein have a case against Walmart?
Wow, that's tricky.
I mean, first of all, that is some shady stuff if someone to really do something like that. However, I do think he would.
You do? Okay.
Because it fell. That's their property. It was hanging there for several days. Should have been fixed. It can cause a damage to somebody. Even though the guy did something horrible to make it happen.
Yeah.
I think he does. But I was wrong the last two, so who's to say?
I think whoever's in charge of the sign is at fault.
He does not have a case.
Why?
Because property owners aren't required to guarantee someone's safety. All they're required to do is to protect you or notify you of some hazard that you wouldn't reasonably discover if you were paying attention.
He discovered it.
He discovered it. He's looking at it.
Right.
But I bring this case up. So there was a guy in Texas who actually posted how he was outside Walmart hanging out.
I was like, where do you come up with these things? This really happened?
This really happened, to see if this would hit him in the head. It didn't hit him in the head, but he bragged about his efforts. I wanted to share this story with you because, I tell people all the time, call me, text me. If you have a question, think you have a case, I want to help you. Okay, in this case, I want to be clear. If you relate to Einstein here, don't call me, don't text me, don't email me, don't stop me in the grocery store, don't trek on my kids. I will not help you.
There you go.
The people in our firm, we work really hard to help people who are severely injured, families who have serious losses. This stuff boils my blood.
That makes me mad.
How much crazy stuff do you sift through every week?
We sift through a lot of crazy stuff, but I got to tell you, most people, overwhelming majority of people call us, have legitimate claims or legitimate concerns. Sometimes they don't have a case, but it's not because they're scamming.
Yeah.
Very few people are like that, but they're out there, and we weed them out very quickly.
Don't waste your time, right?
I don't want to spend, we only got so much time in this world, and I'm not going to spend it helping
a serious
someone like
man,
that,
a smart man, too. Thank you very much.
Thank you again. Go to his website. Track him down on Facebook.
You can text me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 216.
I do it just for fun.
Yeah.
And email tom@merrimanlegal.com. Make sure you do that.
I do it just for fun.